So in this video is gonna be basically the recap for the trade I took yesterday, actually the day before that, and yesterday I closed it. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of July, and I took that on the 20th, Monday. It's a pretty simple setup for those who know my strategy. I've explained it many times in the past to my community, to my students. Starting off with the weekly, I saw that the whole structure on the weekly is bullish, like it screams bullish. I couldn't find very valid zone on the weekly time frame. Like I could have searched more in the back, but it's not necessary to find the weekly area of interest, more like to give me the direction. I saw that price was like making higher highs, and I was waiting for a small pullback to go and make the new higher high. Now on the daily I found this beautiful zone here with way too many stops. So I see the price that had a reaction in this area of interest many times. Then the only thing I did, marked it, and I saw on the daily that the price has broken above, came back, retested once, 2, 3 days, and I was expecting either here or there to make the push to the upside. And not only made it, it actually break my TP and keep on going. But of course I had my TP on a specific zone, which was this highs right here. Now then, on the 4-hour time frame, I was just anticipating when the market open was here, a small reaction here, a small rejection to go to the upside. My favorite morning star formation here, which 1, 2, 3 candlesticks. Then the only thing I did is zooming in on the 30-minute time frame. Beautiful invert head and shoulders, and I can just invert the scale so you can be able to see it exactly how I like it personally. Others might not like it like that. Left shoulder, the head breaks the structure on the ending, waited for the retest below the EMA, and the rest is simple and easy. I found my entry right there, put my stops up below the last low, and let it play out. I haven't traded in 5 weeks, as I mentioned in my previous video, so I took this trade on a different account with lower risk, because that's the point of risk management. You don't risk, you need to have a dynamic risk. You need to increase your risk when you have a good month, for example, or when you feel like a trade is an A++ setup. Now, the reason why I decreased my risk and also took it in a different account is because I haven't traded in 5 weeks. And this setup was not the A+++, but it was an A setup. So I had to lower my risk, mostly because I haven't traded in many weeks, and I wanted to see how the market, or how my first trade after so many weeks will be, because the market conditions has not been the greatest so far, so I needed to play smart. And the result was perfect. I went for 1 to 2 risk to reward, risk 1%, took 2 back. I shared this trade inside my community. Here you can see that's the trade I took. Actually, that's before I took it, that I said this looks interesting. Then I said the moment I enter my MetaTrader screenshot, and then moved my stop loss in profit. Then some students here making results in the same trade, and then me sending the results afterward. So that's the whole point. I'm sharing the trade the before, the moment I'm taking it, and the after, and updating in the meantime. It's completely for free. Just the only difference is that you have to know my strategy, otherwise you won't be able to keep up. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and that helps me to keep on doing more of those videos. And join my communities, are completely for free. The link will be in the description, and if you want to use the same prop firm as I'm using, which is GOATFUNDED, use the code FX ESCAPELAB26 to get 30% off in every single challenge. Again, the link will be in the description, and see you in the next one.